90-second recipe. The big game is coming up. Time for the big game. You want wings with your friends. I know I do. First, you're going to want to brine your wings. Trust me, it makes them much better, much juicier. You want to start with what I'm doing. It doesn't need to be super accurate. It's a brine. Who cares? Get some boiling water in there. Dissolve all that together. Mix it up real nice. Don't pour your wings into the boiling water. It'll be bad. Pour that ice in there, cool that off. Now you want to add those wings. Let that brine for about 24 hours after you mix it in really well. Then you want to drain that out, put some foil on some pans, load it up. You know the drill. We're going to bake these babies off. Oh, I can't wait for the game this Sunday, the sports time. It's going to be the native versus the prospector. Who's it going to be? Royalty-free team name. That's my pick. The big one. The big fun sports team. Ah! Anyway, get all your wings ready. You want to load those up on trays. Gotta separate them out. Get a little bit. 420 degrees in that oven for 25 minutes. Bake them real good. In the meantime, we're gonna make up eel sauce. Saucy sauce eel sauce. It's gonna be equal parts sugar, soy, mirin. Simmer that. You don't want to burn it. 160 degrees on those wings. Those are cooked off. Once we fry them, we're not cooking them. We're just crisping that skin up. Getting it real nice and good. 350 for that oil. Get your wings in. Don't overcrowd it. I did mine in 3 separate batches. Next, mix it up. I got some red hot. I got that eel sauce. Serve it together. Football!